How to use an AJ Bell Stocks and Shares. ISA. An AJ Bell Stocks and Shares ISA is a tax-efficient way to invest, letting your money grow without paying capital gains or income tax. It's one of the most popular accounts for long-term investing in the UK. Here's how to use it step by step. First, log into your AJ Bell account through the website or mobile app. If you don't already have an ISA, open one by selecting Stocks and Shares ISA under Account Types. You'll need to provide some basic details to get started. Next, fund your ISA by transferring money from your bank. You can add money with a one-off payment, a debit card, or by setting up a direct debit. Remember, the annual ISA allowance is $20,000, so you can't deposit more than that in a single tax year. Once the money is in your ISA, you can choose what to invest in. Use the search bar to find shares, funds, ETFs, or investment trusts. Click Buy, enter the amount, and confirm your order. Your chosen investments will then appear in your ISA portfolio. You can track performance, dividends, and growth directly from your AJ Bell dashboard. All gains stay tax-free as long as they remain in the ISA. You can also set up regular investing to automatically put money into selected funds each month. This is a great way to build wealth steadily, over time. If you need cash, you can sell investments and withdraw money back to your bank account anytime. And that's it. That's how you use an AJ Bell Stocks and Shares ISA effectively. Thanks for watching.